In this video, we're going to look at how to sum values that are greater than or equal to a specific number using an Excel formula. In this example, we'll have a list of fruit and vegetables and its quantity. And what we want to do here is to add the values of only those fruit and vegetables that have more than or equal to 500 units. We can achieve this by using the SUMIF function. So let's begin by entering the formula in cell G3. Equals SUMIF, open parentheses. The first argument of the SUMIF function is the range to which we'll be applying a criteria to. In this example, that's going to be range C3 through to C9. So let's go ahead and select this range, followed by a comma. The second argument is the criteria that we'll want to apply. Therefore, this is what we specify, that we only want the formula to sum values that are greater than or equal to 500. The way we achieve this is through the use of the greater than and equal signs, followed by the number 500, given that we only want to sum the values that are greater than or equal to 500, and enclose this in double quotation marks. So let's go ahead and key this in. Start off with the double quotation marks, greater than an equal sign, and then key in the value of 500, and then another double quotation marks. The third argument is the sum range. This is an optional argument, and if omitted from the formula, the cells in the first argument, which is the range against which we'll be applying the criteria, will be summed. In this example, given that we want to sum from the same range that we're applying the criteria, we can exclude this argument from the formula. So let's go ahead and complete the formula with the closing parentheses and press the enter key. Great. The formula is now returning a value of 2600. And if we sum the values that are greater than or equal to 500 in range C3 through to C9, we will get the same result. So let's go ahead and manually check this. We'll add the 700, 800, 500, and 600, which returns a value of 2600. Therefore, the formula is returning a correct value. I also want to show you how you would write the formula if the criteria value is captured in a cell, and say you want to use the cell reference in the formula instead of manually entering the criteria value in the formula. In this example, we have the criteria value of 500 captured in cell E3. And what we want to do here is to reference this cell instead of manually entering in a value of 500 into the formula. So let's go ahead and enter the formula into cell G4. Equals SUMIF, open parentheses. And we'll select the same range, which is C3 through to C9, followed by a comma. And then for the second argument, which is the criteria, what we need to do here is to only enclose the greater than and equal signs in double quotation marks, followed by an ampersand and a cell reference that captures the criteria value. So let's go ahead and key this in. Start off with the double quotation marks, greater than, equal, and then another double quotation marks, followed by an ampersand, and then we'll select cell E3 and complete the formula with the closing parentheses and press the enter key. Great, the formula is returning a value of 2600, which is the value that we expected to see. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.